भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
जय 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 हे गजानना
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 गजानना हे गजवदना गजानना हे गजवदना जय 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 हे गजानना पार्वती नंदन गजानना पार्वती नंदन गजानना पशुपति तनया गजानना पशुपति तनया गजानना आदि पूज्य देव गजानना आदि पूज्य देव गजानना जय 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 हे गजानना गजानना हे गजवदना जय 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 हे गजानना पार्वती नंदन गजानना पशुपति तनया गजानना आदि पूज्य देव गजानना आदि पूज्य देव गजानना गजानना जय साई गुरुदेवा, साई गुरुदेवा,
जय साई गुरुदेवा, साई गुरुदेवा,
जय साई गुरुदेवा, साई गुरुदेवा,
जय साई गुरुदेवा, साई गुरुदेवा।
गुरु सेव बिना निर्वाण नहीं, जय साई गुरुदेवा,
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 जय साई गुरुदेवा, साई गुरुदेवा,
जय साई गुरुदेवा, साई गुरुदेवा।
तुम ही हो माता पिता, तुम ही हो साई गुरुदेवा,
तुम्ही हो माता पिता, तुम्ही हो साई गुरुदेवा,
तुम ही हो माता पिता, तुम ही हो साई गुरुदेवा,
तुम्ही हो माता पिता, तुम्ही हो साई गुरुदेवा,
सत्य स्वरूप राह दिखाओ 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 साई गुरुदेवा,
गुरु सेव बिना निर्वाण नहीं, जय 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 साई गुरुदेवा,
जय साई गुरुदेवा, साई गुरुदेवा,
जय साई गुरुदेवा, साई गुरुदेवा,
गुरु सेव बिना निर्वाण नहीं, जय साई गुरुदेवा,
गुरु सेव बिना निर्वाण नहीं, जय साई गुरुदेवा,
जय साई गुरुदेवा, साई गुरुदेवा,
जय साई गुरुदेवा, साई गुरुदेवा,
तुम ही हो माता पिता, तुम ही हो साई गुरुदेवा,
तुम्ही हो माता पिता, तुम्ही हो साई गुरुदेवा,
सत्य स्वरूप राह दिखाओ साई गुरुदेवा,
सत्य स्वरूप राह दिखाओ साई गुरुदेवा,
गुरु सेव बिना निर्वाण नहीं, जय साई गुरुदेवा,
गुरु सेव बिना निर्वाण नहीं, जय साई गुरुदेवा,
गुरु सेव बिना निर्वाण नहीं, जय साई गुरुदेवा।
गुरु सेवा बिना निर्वाण नहीं, जय साई गुरुदेवा।
जय साई गुरुदेवा, साई गुरुदेवा। जय जय भवानी माँ, अम्बे भवानी माँ।
जय भवानी माँ, अम्बे भवानी माँ।
जय जय भवानी माँ, अम्बे भवानी माँ।
जय जय भवानी माँ, अम्बे भवानी माँ।
अम्बे भवानी माँ, साई 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 भवानी माँ।
जय जय भवानी माँ, अम्बे भवानी माँ।
जय जय भवानी माँ, अम्बे भवानी माँ।
शिरडी निवासी माँ, परती निवासी 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 माँ।
हृदय निवासी माँ, साई भवानी 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 माँ।
जय जय भवानी माँ, अम्बे भवानी माँ।
जय जय भवानी माँ, अम्बे भवानी माँ।
अम्बे भवानी माँ, साई भवानी माँ।
अम्बे भवानी माँ, साई भवानी माँ।
जय जय भवानी माँ, अम्बे भवानी माँ।
जय जय भवानी माँ, अम्बे भवानी माँ।
शिरडी निवासी माँ, परती निवासी माँ।
शिरडी निवासी माँ, परती निवासी माँ।
हृदय निवासी माँ, साई भवानी 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 माँ।
जय जय भवानी माँ, अम्बे भवानी माँ।
जयतु रामा, जननी जानकी रामा। जयतु रामा, जननी जानकी रामा। जयतु रामा, जननी जानकी रामा।
नंद किशोरा नारायण
नंद किशोरा नारायण
नंद किशोरा नारायण
नंद किशोरा नारायण
नवनीत चोरा नारायण
नवनीत चोरा नारायण
नवनीत चोरा
नवनीत चोरा नारायण
नंद किशोरा नारायण
नंद किशोरा नारायण
नरहरि रूपा नारायण
नरहरि रूपा नारायण
नरहरि रूपा नारायण
नरहरि रूपा नारायण
नाद स्वरूपा नारायण
नादस्वरूपा नारायण
नाद स्वरूपा नारायण
नादस्वरूपा नारायण
नंद किशोरा नारायण
नंद किशोरा नारायण
नवनीत चोरा नारायण नंद किशोरा नारायण नरहरि रूपा नारायण नाद स्वरूपा नारायण नाद स्वरूपा नारायण नंद किशोरा नारायण हरि बोलो हरे राम नाम
हरि बोलो हरे राम राम
हरि बोलो हरे राम नाम
हरि बोलो हरे राम राम
हरि बोलो हरे कृष्ण नाम
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 हरि बोलो सत्य साई राम
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 हरि बोलो हरे राम नाम
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 हरि शिवाय
शिवाय नमः शिवाय
नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय
शिवाय नमः शिवाय
साम्ब सदा शिव 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 नमः शिवाय
गिरिजा शङ्कर नमः शिवाय
गिरिजा शङ्कर नमः शिवाय
गिरिजा शङ्कर नमः शिवाय
गिरिजा शङ्कर नमः शिवाय
भवानी शङ्कर नमः शिवाय
भवानी शङ्कर नमः शिवाय
भवानी शङ्कर नमः शिवाय
भवानी शङ्कर नमः शिवाय
लिङ्गोद्भवकर साई मनोहर
लिङ्गोद्भवकर साई मनोहर
लिङ्गोद्भवकर साई मनोहर
लिङ्गोद्भवकर साई मनोहर
नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय
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 शिवाय नमः शिवाय
साम्ब सदा शिव नमः शिवाय
साम्ब सदा शिव नमः शिवाय
गिरिजा शङ्कर नमः शिवाय
गिरिजा शङ्कर नमः शिवाय
भवानी शङ्कर नमः शिवाय
भवानी शङ्कर नमः शिवाय
लिङ्गोद्भवकर साई मनोहर
लिङ्गोद्भवकर साई मनोहर
नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय
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 नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
नमो भगवते रामरूपाय भगवते रामरूपाय
नमो भगवते रामरूपाय
नमो भगवते श्यामरूपाय
नमो भगवते श्यामरूपाय
नमो भगवते श्यामरूपाय
नमो भगवते श्यामरूपाय
नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
राम रहीम कृष्ण करीम येशु बुद्ध महावीर
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 सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई देवाय
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 नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
नमो भगवते रामरूपाय
नमो भगवते रामरूपाय
नमो भगवते श्यामरूपाय
नमो भगवते श्यामरूपाय
नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
राम रहीम कृष्ण करीम येशु बुद्ध महावीर
राम रहीम कृष्ण करीम येशु बुद्ध महावीर
सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई देवाय
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 नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
नारायण भज नारायण नारायण भज नारायण 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 भज नारायण नारायण भज नारायण नारायण दिया ये अवतारी लीलाधारी कुंज विहारी नारायण ये अवतारी लीलाधारी कुंज विहारी हे अवतारी कुंज विहारी लीलाधारी नारायण मन को सुजन बनाकर भक्ति मार्ग दिखला दिया भजन से मन को सजन बनाकर भक्ति मार्ग दिखला दिया साई भजन से भव सागर को दिखला दिया पति तो धारी पति विहारी केशरिधारी नारायण पति तो धारी पति तो धारी पति विहारी काली मुरारी नारायण
In 2006, I was in USA by that time. I had taught Bal Vikas in Baswangudi. I told you Sai Meera was a part of that group. I was teaching Bal Vikas in Jayanagar. I don't know, I don't see Sharada. Sharada Manjunath was also my teammate at that time. She used to help me. At that time, there was, our neighboring house, there was a maid, and that lady had a small son, 5-year-old fellow. He was very naughty, and the neighbor was saying, don't bring your son when you do the housework. She was telling the maid. So that lady came and asked my mother, can my son attend your Bal Vikas? He's the son of the maid in the next door, this lady. My mother said, no problem, come. So this little fellow called Srinivasa joined my Bal Vikas. And he would come and sit, little fellow. In those days, we didn't have group 1, group 2, group 3 and all that, because there were not that many teachers. Group 1, group 2, group 3, everybody was together. Group 3 helped group 2, group 2 helped group 1, everybody helped each other. And the teachers managed the class by themselves, because there were not that many Bal Vikas gurus yet trained. So this fellow came to my class, and I started to teach. He learnt all the bhajans and the slokas. By the way, you girls and boys told the Vedas and the bhajans beautifully today. Very good job. Very nice. I enjoyed it. So my little fellow Srinivasa also learned. But his main reason for coming, in front of Swami's picture, we used to keep the prasadam. So as soon as he comes, he'll say, Akka, auntie. Auntie, he didn't know. He used to call me Akka. Akka, ivat yen prasada? I used to say, avalakki no, sajjige no, whatever my mother used to make, I used to, tinboda auntie? Not now, after Om Jai Jagadisha Hare and everything, you can have. Okay, he will sit. So he will sit there looking at that. Every now and then he will say, Om Jai Jagadisha Hare, yavaga auntie? I'll say some more time. So it went on, and as he was waiting for his prasadam, this 5-year-old fellow imbibed the slokas, imbibed the bhajans, imbibed the stories. It went into his brain like a sponge. And he would learn very nicely and sing. Then he was learning well. Then he will look at Swami. You're yarakka? You're or Bhagwanappa, now Swami anta karitivi. I used to tell him, Naditara akka? ಹೂಪ್ಪ ನಡೀತಾರೆ. ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅಕ್ಕ? ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ. ಒಂದಿನ ನಿನ್ನ ವೈಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀನು ನೋಡುವಂತೆ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಯು ಟು ವೈಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್. ಓ ಸರಿ ಅಕ್ಕ, ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ದೆನ್ ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಾಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಹೌಸ್, and I told all the Balavikas children, all of you come and come early to our house that day. Swami is coming, you can all have darshan. All the children came. I had 42 children by myself. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3. All the 42 children came. They sat, we had put mats in the garage. They were all waiting. They came at 5:30, but by the time Swami finished darshan and everything in Vrindavan, by the time he came, it was almost 7 o'clock. On the way, he had stopped the car to talk to some lady near Ashoka Pillar. My father didn't know who she was. Swami put the window down and talked to some lady who was walking on the street, and then he came and sat down. As soon as he sat down, he said, where are your Balavikas children? They are all waiting. They are sitting very nicely. See how beautifully you people are sitting? They were sitting like that. So Swami came to give Pada Namaskaram to all the children. He asked everybody, what is your name? Ninnesreno, what is your name? He went on asking. Suddenly he looked at me. Ekkada Srinivasa? Where is Srinivasa? He asked me. Srinivasa was there. Ikkade unnadu Swami. I look here, I look there, I look. No Srinivasa. By this time it is 7 o'clock in the evening, quite dark like this. Swami vachadu Swami. Swami just gave Padnamaskaram. Ra ikkada, he said, he called me to the side of the room inside and said, you are a Balavika's guru. You don't know where that child is. Where is that child? He was not happy with me at all. I said, Swami, I was helping inside the house. All the children were sitting in the garage. I thought they were... Nee pani Balavika's guru. Intlo em chestunnao? What are you doing inside the house? You should be with the children, not inside the house. Why didn't you look after the children? I said, I don't know, Swami. By that time, I am also scared. Where is this fellow? He's only 6 years old. Where is this fellow? Then Swami just gave me one hit on the cheek and said, Vastadu Ra. He will come back. Come, he said. And we went and sat inside. Swami started to talk to everybody. And suddenly, after a few minutes, the doorbell rang. Usually when Swami came to our house, everybody knew nobody will ring the doorbell when Swami is sitting there. But somebody came and rang the doorbell. We went and see, and there is this lady who was the maid in our neighbor's house, and this little fellow, both have come, and she's crying, and she comes inside my father's living room and doesn't bother about men are sitting. She just comes and falls at Swami's feet. And my father looks at her and realizes this is the lady that Swami had talked to on the way in Ashoka Pillar. So we are all surprised. What happened? Who is this lady? Why is she coming like this? Then Swami said, tell everybody what happened. So this lady told us this story. This boy said, today I have to go to Auntie Akka's house. Walking, talking God. Nadiyoru matadoru devaru bartarante. Matado nadiyo devaru bartarante. Uta haktarante, which is the main thing. Naan hoglebeku. That mother said, no, you cannot go, because today I did not go to work in the neighbor's house. I am going to a movie. If they see you, they will ask you, why didn't your mother come to work? Then you will tell the truth. So you cannot go there. This boy cried, I want to go, he's coming. The mother said no, pushed him into his good small house that they had, locked him inside the house and went away to the movie. This poor fellow is sitting in the house crying because he's locked, and suddenly, he doesn't know the time or anything, he decides to break the window of his house, escaped through the window, ran and came. I didn't know anything. I saw him at 5:30 like the other children. He was sitting in the garage. I said, sit here with the other children, and went away. Then by the time Swami came, it was dark. That boy got scared that his mother will scold him. So when I was inside the house, he has gone back. When he went back, he found that his hut had caught fire. This boy had escaped the fire by breaking the window and coming to the Bala Vikas class. Somehow Swami gave him the buddhi. So when Swami was driving near Ashoka Pillar, he saw this lady walking back. He stopped the car and told her, your house is on fire, go home. That lady ran because she knew she has locked her child inside. When she went there, she started to shout, my boy is there, my boy is there. They broke open the door, no boy. The boy was in my class. So by the time all this had happened, she realized the child is not there. Somehow he has escaped. The boy came. He came back home. He said, Nodlila, I didn't see that walking, talking God. I didn't see him because it became dark. You will beat me, you will scold me. I came back. Then the mother brought him back, and Swami was still in our house, just finished dinner. And she said, Swami, because of you, my child escaped from that house. He insisted on coming to this class. So that time, Swami materialized some vibhuti and gave it to that boy and said, Chennag vodu, vallev nagu. Chennag vodu, vallev nagu. Study hard and be a good boy. He blessed this boy. This is I am talking about 1981. And I think 1981-82. Then the boy used to come to my Bal Vikas class. Many years went by. I went away to USA and I lost touch with all the children. Some of them I kept in touch, some I didn't. Lost touch. In 2006, somebody do the quick math, 81 to 2006, how many years? In 2006, I went, how many? From 81, this incident happened in 81 or 82. In 2006, I was visiting Prashanti Nilayam from USA, and I was sitting in the darshan line. Swami said, I am going to Kodaikanal tomorrow. You and Kamalamma, you come to Kodaikanal. So we took Pada Namaskar there. We went back to Bangalore. We tried to go to Kodaikanal by calling all the hotels to stay there. I couldn't find any accommodation. I told Swami, I'll go to Bangalore and I will come in the car. Swami said, you come, I will take care of you there. He told me in the darshan. So 2006, my mother and I, we went and we arrived in Kodaikanal. No hotel accommodation, nothing. We couldn't find any rooms because Swami was there. All the hotels were booked. When we arrived there in Kodaikanal, it was 2 o'clock in the afternoon. The gates were closed in Swami's bungalow. The gates were closed and there was a lot of crowd getting ready to stand in the line, in the queue to go inside. And my mother and I were standing, what to do? We couldn't find any Sevadal people to tell them, all Tamil Nadu Sevadal, whom we didn't know also. Unlike the Brindavan people, how to tell them? Swami had told me to come. I have to go. Suddenly, somebody was running from Swami's bungalow and came and opened the gate. So immediately the Sevadal people thought Swami's car is coming. So everybody said, make way, Swami is coming, Swami is coming. This boy opened and he came, somebody came running, Sevadal with the scarf and everything, and he was standing there making way, make way. My mother and I were standing in the back of the crowd. Suddenly somebody came and Dawar, he fell at my feet. I thought, what is this poor Sevadal fellow? Instead of helping others, he only needs help now. He has fallen down. Lifted him up. Then he looks at my mother and he falls at my mother's feet. We lifted him up again. Something is really wrong with this Sevadal. We lifted him. And he said, Akka, you don't know who I am? I said, I don't know who are you. Why are you falling down like this? No, Akka. I am Srinivasa. So, which Srinivasa? Swami, Akka, I used to come to your house for Bal Vikas, Akka. You remember my hut caught fire. Oh, yes, yes, I know. What are you doing here? He said, you remember that day Swami gave me vibhuti and told me, you be a good boy and study hard. So I studied hard and I was a good boy. Now I passed all my classes. I am State Bank of India manager in Coimbatore. And I am in the part of the Sevadal of Tamil Nadu. So we all joined the Sevadal group to come to Kodaikanal to do Seva when Swami is there. And my luck, Akka, I was chosen to look after the door near Swami's bedroom. So I was standing there. Suddenly Swami opened the bedroom door now at 2 o'clock and said, your Guru has come, go and bring her, give her accommodation in the room. This fellow did not know what Swami said. He said, she's there, go. So he came running because Swami told him. And he saw me and my mother. And he fell out of it. He said, Swami has kept a room for you. Please come, please come. He took us inside, gave us the room, made all the arrangements and everything. And then he said, I said, why are you falling like this in front of everybody? In front of Swami, you should not fall like that at everybody's feet like this. He said, no, Akka. After 1981, 2006, today at 2 p.m., I heard his voice talking to me again. So many years he has not talked to me, but he talked to me today because of your class, of that Bal Vikas that I attended. So teachers, you should be an inspiration to your children. Children, always remember that whatever you have learnt in your classes and from your parents, right now you may not know the value of it. You will come to know when you are grown up, like my Srinivasa did. He did not know what it meant when Swami said, but when he was older, he knew what Swami meant. With these words, I'm sorry I have taken a little bit more time than I should have. Thank you all for having me here. It's wonderful to see the children. Thank you. Thank you.
ॐ जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपदान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे मातपिता गुरुदैवमु मरियन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरियन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ
सत्यनारायण नारायण नारायण ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण नारायण ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण नारायण ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम सत्यनारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु शांति 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 जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा